Hi guys. Did you like the birthday vlog? I hope you guys liked it. But anyway, today is hair maintenance day. I'm going to do my hair. I haven't slept since 8 p.m. yesterday. I know the Bible says there's no rest for the wicked. I'm not wicked, I promise. So mind your business exactly. So yeah, I'm going to retouch my hair and then plait it. I'm going to
Damn it.
Anyway, I'm going to that salon. You guys saw my birthday vlog with many hair stands. Yeah, that's the salon I'm going to. So I'm going to rate them and judge them. I want to do stitch braids. So I hope you know stitch braids is make or break. So I hope I know how to do stitch braids. So yeah, this is my hair.
Touch that runway, they find his body floating in front of that. Picture above an article next to the fun facts. When it's
so yeah, mind your business. I'm going to relax it and plait it in the same day. My hair is used to that harsh treatment. It just has to be used. So I will show you guys how I'll look afterwards. So you guys, I've got my wig. The salon, the shop is connected to the salon. Oh, I had a leg day on my legs. And we're in the salon now. I should have combed my hair. This part hurt. Next time I'm not going with vibes. I'll go prepared. Damn. My hair is grown, you guys. I bleached my hair blonde from the roots. I didn't cut it, no, just the blonde out braid. So this is like my hair growing from scratch, and since 2022 or 2021, can't remember, but yeah. Guys, it's blowing your hair. Ish, I forgot this expense of doing my hair. But anyway, this is my hair. Whatever. My sister always compares the front hair if it's long. So it's reaching here. Hers is still longer than mine, but that's fine. Hers is natural. Her hair is longer than mine, I admit. So now I'm about to do stitched braids. Yay. So I've separated my edges so that they don't plait my edges. I'm going back my edges, so you guys mind your business. At least I have edges. Do you guys have edges? Even if my edges are little, you know, it's enough to do a little swoop. So I'm doing light blonde. This is a light blonde. This is a blonde. Do you guys think I'm tripping? I'm doing too much. Like, I see the vision. Like, I know it's going to come out good. If it doesn't come out good, then it is what it is. I'll be stuck with it for a month. But I see the vision is going to be good. I'm going to be Becky with the good hair. I'm just joking. You know, Beyonce won album of the year today. So, yay for us. Woo.
Cowboy Carter, Beyonce.
You know when they say when you get your hair done, all of a sudden your skin becomes clear, you're glowing, looking stress-free. That's going to be me.
My hair is done. So suddenly my skin is clear. My appetite is back.
Ain't nothing better than getting your hair braided that tight and it coming out. It hurts so bad.
Hi guys, I'm in the shop. Mind your business. This is how I'm ending the video. This is the hair. Blondes and whatever. Stitched braids.
If I get a little tipsy tomorrow night, my beautiful African queens.
Yeah, what I was saying? The skin is looking like sponges. That's the sun.
Babe, everybody has good skin under the sun.
Back to looking normal. Skin still the same. Again, why do stitch braids again? No, it hurts. And sometimes I just feel like cutting my hair, but here we are, and I'm hungry. I'm ready to go home. Oh, by the way, the lip gloss. I've had this lip gloss since 9 a.m. this morning, and it's 5 p.m. The lip gloss is still going.
If y'all want y'all lips popping like mine, come holler at me. It's y'all. I don't even know what to say because my lip popping.
My lip gloss is popping. Oh, that boy skip. Exactly. So yeah, if you're not doing this combo, all the combos I put, you know I'll be uploading lip combos with all my hearts. They'll stay the whole day. At this point, I realized I'll be in traffic for an hour and I was so sleepy. I was thinking, should I sleep? And then I don't know where my body ends up. Or I should stay wide awake throughout. I said wide awake throughout. So yeah, but you guys, thanks for watching this video. Like this video. Subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.